Hi everyone, I am Jamal. Today I show you how to highlight mouse cursor. The benefit of highlight mouse cursor is make easier for people to follow along with what you explaining and where the mouse goes and easily seeing what you're clicking on. Uh, I click one desktop, one personalize. I want to go to mouse cursor property, then I click on and then I choose change mouse pointer. Then we have these windows for mouse properties. I have already one cursor, highlights cursor. I can go here and choose none and apply. Okay, then I have this. I restore the default setting. For we can without installing any software editor, we can go ahead and looking for the Google search bar. We're looking for real world cursor editor. Sorry, don't have access. Okay. Yeah, real world cursor editor. We can choose software if we need to install real world cursor editor, make download, and we can make a customized cursor, highlighted customized cursor, or we can go to gallery. For instance, I can choose one of them, cursor highlight and search. Yeah, here we have many options. For instance, I choose this one, orange, and you can also you can change your cursor to any one of the options. We can download this file. This file is the 4.2 kilobytes, small file, and this is like a JPEG data or GIF file. We click on it. We can go to the folder, show in folder. Then we have orange highlight. Yeah, this one. We can make a copy of them. Copy and go to C drive, folder window, and folder subfolder cursor. And here we paste it. We have we can have access as administrator. We can go ahead and continue, and we have here our orange highlight cursor. We can go back, yeah, yeah. I want to show you how to access mouse property personalize, yeah, and change mouse, no, mouse property, and we can go looking for our file, orange cursor, will you confirm orange, yeah, orange, yeah, then save as, give it a name, also or orange cursor highlights, okay, save as, and we apply, then okay, yes, we have, as you see in desktop, we have a cursor with orange highlighted, and if we want to restore the default setting, we go simply orange, can go here, and we can choose the skill none and apply, okay, then the highlight cursor disappear. Yeah, I hope this is helpful for you. If you want more video, then you can simply subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.